Well, hello creative. In this week's DIY, guys, we're going to have some fun making some keychains. This is the first time making some, so we are doing this together. Most of my DIYs are that, but that's fine. We're going to have some fun making some keychains. So let's jump right into it. Right, creative. So as I stated, we'll be making keychains today. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways. Now, so look at this one. You know what this one came from. This keychain was reused from the earrings that I made. You could check out that leaf earrings video. Then this one also, look at this one. Isn't that cute? From the photo pendant earrings, same thing, transfer into keychain. Then this is one I was showing you today. This is so beautiful. Simple lobster clasp beaded keychain to put on. You could create it anyhow you want, right? And you just latch it right on with that lobster clasp, and that's basically what you would need. So if you wanted to create this one, all you have to do is follow the video of how I show you how to make the leaf earrings, and the part where you see the jump ring, you would just attach the keychain ring to it, and I'm going to show you. So basically, and I didn't have any more of the key rings, right, which is that you just snap on the key ring. So you know what you could use? You could just use a book ring until you get key rings, and it's fine and simple. So let me show you. So all I did was this, take it off, see, and put it right on, and look at that, and it became the key ring for that one, right? Simple as that for that one, right? And then for the other one, same thing. The same thing with the book ring and the pendant. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, and then like a simple bead that I have here, and I just attached it here with a jump ring. Look at that. But I'm going to show you how to do this one today, so let's get to it, guys. Isn't that beautiful? So simple. All right. I'll show you. You could use any beads you like, any beads you want to craft and make your beaded keychain, right? This is just various options I'm giving you. So you could have a photo pendant keychain, you could have a beaded keychain, and you could have leaf keychain. Anyone, right? So I'm just showing, this is another pattern with beads. So you basically have your jump ring, your crimp bead, and your beads. I started it to the duration of this video, but I'm not going to use these beads. I'm going to show you the ones that I created. You can use any ones, it's fine, right? Because in this one I used the bead and seed beads in between it. So simple. And I also left right here on the end of it, I'm going to show you a little jump ring here. So if you want to add another charm and a dazzling charm, and that's fine. Okay, so let's get to it. So here we go. The jump ring, right? And the crimp bead. So you take your bead, slide it right on, right? Look at that. Then I have the seed beads here, right? They're really tiny, and you squeeze that in. Alrighty, guys, so we're still looking for this hole. There we go. And there you have it. So now I'm going to show you how to close this little bit. But you can make your keychain long if you want, but I just figured because it's so smooth, it's a keychain, you don't want it too much dangling beads. So there you go. And then you take your crimp bead, slide that on, see that? And then you take jump ring, which put it in a slit. I'm going to double loop it. For now, I want to just make sure it's on so it doesn't slide off. And give it a double loop. I know why the sliding is right. Take your jump ring, slide that right through. Then you take the double loop, right through the crimp bead. And there you have it. See that? Like a loop. And you take the same loop and you push it right back through the bead. Just a little enforcement, like a little enforcement. And then right there. And then you pull. See that? place. For it, just giving a little. I just want to give a little space on it, not too much. And then you take your crimp pliers, right, and you just crimp that in place. Right there, lock it right in place, and there you have it. Right, and then you take your wire cutter and you cut off the excess wire that you have hanging. Right, sorry that it dropped. And you're going to still have a little excess on there, so you just bend it a little bit as you can, and you cut that excess off without cutting the other wire that is on. And then with the crimp bead and between the beads, you can add a little bit of glue also that helps lock it in place. Okay, and you see, and there you have it, a little beaded. Right now you're going to take the lobster clasps. I should have put that on before, but that's fine. Open and close. Open and close. Take your opposite clasps, put it on. Right, close that. Actually, what I did, like I told you, I'm gonna double loop it because so it doesn't, not too much of a double loop, but just a little bit, like I did the other one. It kind of holds it better so it doesn't pull apart like you're opening it, because I noticed that it did that before. And that's it. I'll show you guys. The round nose pliers actually helps that round it out. Actually didn't form well. Okay, and then you round it right out, forming it. And then you take your round nose pliers and then you do that. I'll show you in a moment. I wish my son would be quiet. Okay guys, so like I was saying, that you double loop it. Just so it doesn't come out of the string. So you just pull it apart a little bit, right? Push it over. See that? And there we have it. See that? Right there. And there you have it, a small beaded keychain. Turn it upside down. Gonna take it, put it right on your keys. My keys have so much stuff in it, just to show you. There's a large clasp. There you have it. Beaded keychain. Many different ways you could jazz up your keys. See that? Now this is a lot of keys. If you're not a person who likes to have, if you're not a person who likes to have a lot of trinkets on your keys, then don't put them on. But you have multiple different ways you could try it. So, photo pendant, beaded, and the leaf one. Simple, right? Check out those videos to see how to craft the leaf one. Instead of putting the earring hook on, all you would do is attach the jump ring to the chain link, and that's it. And these chain links, if you look, you'll see there's another video I did with old chain links, and I reused old chain links, and this is how I created these key rings for the keychain. Very simple. Okay, or you could just go and get and craft and get some new ones. But that was it, little trinkets. So let me show you. Can you see? This was the this is the key ring right here, and the chain links, right? Right. So all you do, you took the pendant, right? Take the jump ring, pull apart. I always use my hand, but you don't have to, right? Take the chain link, put it on. Now I'm going to use the pliers because it's hard on your fingers. Sometimes take it. You could double loop this also if you want it to come up, but just to lock it in place, or put a little tip of glue right here. As I stated before, I use the E6000 or 5 mini epoxy. Those are good. Those are one of the best glues to use. And that's it. Look at that photo pendant key ring, and that's it. It's a picture of me and my mom. God rest her soul. Bless her. And that is it. So, and you can use a variety of beads. I'll post a link of all the things that I use in the video for you guys to go find and get yourself if you like. And you could get beads from anywhere. I find a lot of beads from the thrift store, or I handcraft a lot of them. Like these beads were here. These were handcrafted in flame work beads. And see, this is another one that was crafted. See? And it puts both on it. The photo bead pendant and the bead. And see, all these cute guys, little trinkets to jazz up your keys. So there you have it, making key rings. Reduce, reuse, recycle, or just go and get new craft items and you can create those. All right, guys, leave me a link. Let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell for notification if you like more videos like this, DIYs. And all right, guys, till next time, Mix It Up Jan, just being creative. Bye-bye. For watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jan, just being creative. Bye bye.